Hey yo, this is how I prepare egg. I sure appreciate it. Anywho, I'm gonna cut these in half. It's so cute. Love it. These are been washed. Get how big these are. Okay. Okay, we get a bowl. We're gonna put this all this goodness. Start the seasoning. Okay, I got every seasoning in frame. So chili. Chili. Oh, I don't like this brand. This brand is kind of bunk. If you go to an Asian market, their brand, whoever's brand, don't get Sunluck. Just put a little bit on there. Be generous. And then the olive. And a while as powder. Get that garlic up in there. Okay. Put black pepper. Bit of some onion powder. Right. Shred. Pretty much coming out. And with salt. I'm gonna slap your arm. And a little bit of salt. And we put some salt in. How much salt? Okay, now it's time to mix. You can use your hand right now. Some big old. You see how that thing? And thank you guys. fun and it tastes good. Season it how you want. I never liked it until I roasted it. Time I will cook, I would eat um, from a can or frozen. My stomach will. I didn't understand why until I started eating it like this. Roasted. Yes, honey. After you let it mix, after you mix it and stuff, yeah, gonna and we're gonna roast this. Pan. Okay, once we got our pan and our foil lined or whatever, I'm gonna give her one mix just to get everything incorporated. Just in case the oil to the bottom. And now we're just gonna do these like that is it. We don't have to grease anything. So it'll be an easy cleanup and a very nutritious snack if you're eating it like a snack. How big these things are. She crazy. There we go. So after we get it lined, I like in all of these pieces. These come out the crunchy part, and it just has so much flavor. Mm-mm. So this is how it looks. I put it in the oven.